The InVision Direct Fit digital dash system for the 1982 to 1987 Monte Carlos, El Caminos, and Malibus is a one-model solution for your entire dash. Monitor the speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water temperature, and volts on a 12.3-inch LCD with user-selectable screens. All kits include a universal wiring harness and sending units for water temperature and oil pressure. This dash features an adjustable RPM range, turn signals, high beams, a clock, and multiple trip meters. And an integrated joystick allows for easy programming. This direct fit solution requires no cutting, drilling, or modification to the original dash. The InVision digital dash alerts the driver of critical conditions with built-in warning indicator lights for low oil pressure, high water temperature, low fuel, and low voltage. A user-definable warning can also be utilized for added awareness of potential issues. The speedometer easily calibrates to OEM or aftermarket vehicle speed sensors, and the tachometer features an adjustable RPM range of 8,000 or 10,000 and is capable of calibrating to many engine types. Upgrade the dash in your Chevy G-Body with the latest tech from AutoMeter.